I guess I was a little bit wrong about the manufacture date. This says 992. That means that this bike is 26 years old. So I will take it all the way apart down to the nuts. That's American for saying that I will strip most of it and check it. I have, when I put this away, my back brake line right here locked up. And I was lucky enough that I could buy another one. But I'm wondering what caused that to happen. Why did my back wheel lock up? Because I hadn't noticed it before. So that's one thing that goes to my mind. If you're going to rebuild one of these, all right, think about the problems that you have and why you have them so we can solve them. It could be anything from a wire that has rubbed through and is partially hitting. It could be, oops, these little capacitors are not grounding correctly. It could be just some piddly bullshit that you have a problem with. On this bike, the one thing I noticed is that everything is designed here so that the wheel can turn this way, and it can lock down here. Well, with all the wiring I had, I couldn't get it to lock. And we have to be very careful about making the bike so that when you go to turn the bike, when it's on, that your throttle doesn't go WFO. WFO is an old motocross term. It means wide fucking open. That's when you got a balls out rider that's totally crazy. And well, you got to be totally crazy to ride motocross anyway. And to win, you got to be fearless. I mean, taking a blind jump with 80 feet of air, and you don't know what's on the other side. You got to have nuts of solid brass, the size of cannonballs. I'd show you, but this is not an X-rated channel. DIOSpeedDEMON, rock on.